Yo, I'm Hendo. We're here at Level Up Expo in Las Vegas. We've got loads of water-cooled systems, giveaways, 100 systems in the LAN area, which anyone can go and play on. So let's go check it out. So welcome to the booth. First thing, we got the Conqueror, which is the new addition to the Fluid Gaming lineup. That'll be available soon on the website. You'll be able to purchase this beast of a system. We've also done a recent video, which is a build video of the Conqueror. You can check that out on our YouTube channel. Pretty sure it's the most recent video, so make sure you go and give that a watch. Let's go take a look, see what else we got. So we got all the all-in-one coolers, all the AIOs. We got the 120, 360, DRGB, so we got mad RGB. And if you pick one of these up and you scan the QR code, you can get a big deal and discount on it, or I think there's also a chance for you to win a free mouse mount. So this is our racing simulator that we've got set up. We're here with Farouk Kuge, who's a Formula Drift driver. We've got a set of Corsa running. With his car, you can play his car, and we've got a competition running as well. So on the competition, whoever tops the table gets to go out with Farouk. At the end of the weekend, we see the results, and they go out on a drift day with Farouk. So behind me, you can see we got the Vanquish and the Conquest, which are our current systems that you can get. We've also got a bunch of them down in the LAN area, which we're gonna go and check out. We've got like 100 of them, which is mental. All decked out with new 30 series graphics cards. We got the latest AMD GPUs and processors in there, load of RAM, load of RGB, all that good stuff. We got a couple more down there as well. Let's now go and check out our smallest of the smallest systems. Check this small boy out. This is a new addition to the Fluid Gaming range. This is the Battle PC. It's got an all-in-one CPU, GPU cooler, little mini ITX case, bunch of RGB, vert-mounted GPU. It's really cool, really, really cool. Anyway, enough of the booth. Let's go and check out the main attraction.
Yeah, sorry, Hendo. I'm gonna take over the tour from here. This is my kind of area. Welcome to Level Up Expo's LAN area, put on by EK Fluid Gaming. We have over 100 PCs here today, all powered by 3070s and 3070 Ti's, all the RGB you could ever need to fill your gaming needs. So let's check it out. And here is the Level Up Expo's esports stage, brought to you by EK Fluid Gaming. Of course, all the PCs you see under these desks are water-cooled EK PCs. Now, that's really the end of our tour here. So if you guys can head over to YouTube, make sure to subscribe to EK Water Blog's YouTube channel. I think you guys gotta go, because it's time for me to game.